A magnitude 4.8 earthquake was recorded near Bishop, Inyo County, California, United States. The tremors occurred late Saturday, June 28, 2025, at 7:37 p.m. local time. The earthquake had a very shallow depth of 6.8 kilometers, 4.2 miles. The shallow depth of the earthquake meant that it was felt more strongly near the epicenter than a deeper earthquake of similar magnitude. According to preliminary seismic data, the earthquake was not expected to cause significant damage, but was felt by many people as vibrations in the epicenter area. What should you do if you feel an earthquake? If you are indoors, it is better to leave it or take cover under a table. If you are outside, find an open space and stay there until the shaking stops.